Hey everyone, welcome to RaiGurkul.com. I'm Deepak Rai and today we are exploring one of the most powerful collaborations tool, Confluence. Whether you are new to it or have been using it for a while, this video will give you everything you need to get started in 2024. Confluence is a tool designed for teams to create, share, and collaborate on content in one centralized space. From project documentations to meeting notes, it's the go-to platform for improving teams, collaborations, and productivity. Let's start with basic. First of all, what is Confluence? Confluence is a wiki-based collaborations platform developed by Atlassian. It allows you to create pages, store informations, and work on projects seamlessly with your team. Think of it as a hub where all your team's knowledge lives, making it easy to find, update, and share informations. Whether you are working on internal documentations, product roadmaps, or teams processes, Confluence gives you the tool to create and organize everything efficiently. Getting started with Confluence is super simple. Let's go through it step by step. Here, whenever you want to start with this, simply navigate it to id.atlassian.com. Don't worry, I will include this URL in descriptions. Take the link from there where you have to create or register your account. Once the account is registered or created, you will see this type of interfaces available where you have to select your account. As of now, once your account is created, you can see this type of interface is available for you. So after creating your account, you can see this product list. Once you are in, you will see a clean interface with options like spaces, themes, pages, and templates. You can also see some apps and company hub. So your workspace in Confluence is called space. You can create a space for each team, project, or initiative. From there, you can start creating pages that holds all your relevant content, whether it's a meeting notes, project plans, or anything else. Now, let's take a look at some of the key features Confluence has to offer in 2024. First, questions from your side. I wanted to know from you what's your favorite feature in Confluence that helps your team collaborate better. Let me know in the comment so that other viewer can also see and understand about it. Here, whenever you want to create any space, click on create space. This will give you an options to create the space. Let me add team demo. Select any icon, whether you wanted to build as a collaborations, knowledge base or custom, totally depending on your requirements, you can select. I'm proceeding further with the collaborations. Click on next. It will open up to the collaboration space where you can create blocks, whiteboards, databases, smart links and folder. Blocks are disabled, but here we can enable it on just toggling this tab. Click on create space. It will take fraction of seconds and your space is ready where we can see our space name. This is the descriptions which it started with it where you can see all those spaces are available. If you want to view any space, you can see the space is listed here where within the space you can build anything. Like this is my space where I'm having plenty of blogs or pages which is available for me. At any point of time I want to share this, I'm able to share it either on Slack or via emails or group emails. If I wanted to edit it, click on pencil icon and this will give you options to edit any of those. At any point of time you want to utilize Confluence templates, is a huge library of templates for all kinds of need, project planning, decisions logs, product roadmaps, and more. You can also easily add any tables to any of these templates, images, and rich text to your pages, making them interactive and visually appealing. Here, whenever you open any of these templates or use it, as I mentioned, you can add the images from these options where you have to just provide the title like test, and after that you can add the images at any locations where you have to just click on this, add images, and this image will be added successfully. As I mentioned, you can make it bold, italic, color code, text color. Even you can add table as well, where you will have interactive tables available, where you can also apply the color codes. Another amazing feature is real-time collaborations. So multiple teams can collaborate by using this. You can invite your teams and they can work simultaneously. So document simultaneously meaning no more back and through email chains to update the informations. Your team members will collaborate, add the informations whatever they want. And one of the reasons Confluence is so widely adopted is its integrations capabilities. It seamlessly integrates with other Atlassian products like Jira, making it perfect for the development teams who need to track progress, but it's not just limited to Atlassian tools. You can also integrate it with Slack, Trello, Google Drive, and so much more. If you wanted to see any of those issues which is lying under Jira, you have to just add single slash Jira, and here you can just click on Jira issues. You have to select just projects, any of the projects informations if you want. You can see the projects issues are listed here. Here you can see if you want, you can just insert the issue list, and these issue lists are available. As I mentioned, you can also integrate with other tools as well. You can even customize Confluence by embedding content from the other apps or using add-ons from the Atlassian marketplace. This flexibility makes it easier to adopt Confluence to the unique needs of your team, where you have plenty of applications available. If you want, you can add any of those applications and make your life easier. Collaboration is key, and Confluence make it easy to work together securely. You can step up permissions at both the space and page level, meaning you can control who can view, edit, or comment on each of those documentations, which is much more easier. Now, here, once your page is ready, you can always publish these pages, and this page is visible for your entire organizations. Those who are having access, they can always add the comments. You can here add the comments or perform any actions whichever they want. So here I will just add this is a comment. You cannot just only add the text, you can also add some links, images, even you can tag the people who are involved, or if you want to add any person name, you can also invite those person name. So whenever it happens, you can show it to them. If you want, you can edit even after creating the page as well. Here you can add the restrictions according to your requirements, and once it is done, click on update and this fields will be updated. Even you can stop watching it or add watching, totally depending on requirements. Those who are updating these pages, you can also see the page history. And when you are adding all those discussions tied to the content, so no more endless chat threads where you can see the comments are itself available in the page itself. Now that you know the basics, here are some best practices for using Confluence with your team. First, always structure your content in a way that's easy to navigate, organize your spaces logically, and create clear hierarchies of your pages. Now, let me know in comment how are you currently using Confluence in your project management. I would love to hear about your thoughts. Here, if you want, you can add plenty of spaces totally depending on your requirements. In the home sections, you can see all those pages are available. If you want, you can even create a blog, task, draft, tired and reset informations are listed here, where you can see either in the list view or into the cards view. And even we have compact list. As I mentioned, we have plenty of templates, 142 templates which is available, which you can utilize it for making your life easier. If you wanted to create page, whiteboards or databases or even blogs, you can always click on these options, and here you have formatting operations are available where you can add header, status, emojis. Even you can write any of those pages with help of Atlassian intelligence. So this is a new feature in Confluences where it is helping you write or add more phrases in your pages itself. You can also encourage your team to collaborate and contribute regularly. Keep your pages updated and use templates to save your time, because templates are having some ready contents which you can modify it according to your project requirements. Confluence becomes more powerful the more it's used or your team is started utilizing it. It will become a require on the regular basis. So that's all from Confluence in 2024. This is a tool designed to help your teams collaborate better, stay organized, and keep everyone on the same page. If you are looking to improve your team's productivity, Confluence is must to have. And if you wanted to learn more about Confluence, I've already created step-by-step video in my playlist. Feel free to refer my complete playlist, which will help you to understand each and every concept of the Confluence. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Let me know in the comments how you are using Confluence for your projects, and if you have any tips to share, feel free to add in the comment sections. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content, and if you think so this is useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.